hugely valuable exercise when you're boxing. It's great for keeping up on your toes and moving your weight nice and quick off your feet. So grabbing a skipping rope, for skipping you want to start skipping 2 feet, and then ideally you want to be able to start shifting your weight 2 hops either side, so there's left and right, just constantly moving between them. So just get your feet used to just popping off nice and quick and shifting your weight to left and right. If you struggle with skipping and the rope keeps catching your feet, two handles in one hand, and start swinging the rope to the side, and then just get your timing with the rope so that it gets you into the rhythm of using skip rope, and then when you start progressing you can keep practicing with your feet until you get better and it's not hitting you as much, but just gets you into the routine of popping off your feet nice and quick. So that's how we use the skipping rope to get better on our feet in boxing.